SATA organized an incredible educational field trip for students and teachers of Indian Public High School, Ras Al Khaimah, exploring the vibrant cities of New York, Washington, and Orlando. From iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and Capitol Building and a full day at NASA, this journey was filled with discovery and excitement.
Our experience at NASA was very amazing. It was like a one-time experience, a dream come true. We saw rockets, and by seeing those, it was like a thing from different world.
Actually, children, they did not read from books. They had they experienced everything firsthand. So it was really very good. So when they organize trips like this, children benefit a lot. Students learn a lot. They learn about culture, they learn about science, history of that place. So it was really interesting.
The trip was truly amazing, and I'm really glad we got to experience it together. One of the highlights for me was our trip to NASA. We got to learn about space exploration, and we heard stories from real astronauts about their experiences. And we also got to see real rockets, which was really cool.
You see, I'm from the Gulf, and over here, when we hear the word tall, it's just what we imagine as really huge buildings. But when I went to New York, that completely changed. I mean, when I went to New York, I saw the Statue of Liberty, and man, I was amazed. It was such a beautiful experience, and the way it was sculpted just made me wonder what we humans are really, capable of. We went to the Universal Studio at our final visit, and it was a great experience where we got to try different rides, amazement, and laughters.
When finally Universal Studios was like the perfect ending to our trip. We had rides, fun, and it was like really magical. This trip was overall full of unforgettable experiences, and I will forever treasure these memories. From the start, SATA's organization made everything really convenient and smooth, and we enjoyed a lot. The team was really supportive, they guided us well, and they also took us to Boston, which gave us an idea about the history with the iconic landmarks, and it was overall an unforgettable experience.
Especially when we went to Yale University in New Haven, there was a big library. It was called the Beinecke Library, where they've stored lots of books. Nowadays, students, they're not interested in reading books, but when they saw this, it motivated them a lot to read books. And even the animals in Yale University were very friendly, the squirrels and all that. It was like a fairy tale that what we watch in movies, we really experienced it over there. So it was really good. And I would really like to appreciate SATA. They've arranged this very well.
One of the other highlights of my trip was when we went to Boston, and we got to learn about more life experiences, and I got to spend time with my friends, which I enjoyed. And we kind of learned how to live alone, away from our parents and society, and kind of became more independent. And it was a really good opportunity for me to learn something like that.
I would like to extend my sincerest thanks to SATA for ensuring a safe and successful journey for our students to NASA.